Okay, let's upgrade it. Did we really just do that? Hello guys, the Gamer Boy here, or me, my name Jordan. We're gonna start with my name. My name is starts with J O R. I'm really bad at writing this. D A N. There you go, that's my name. Now, back to the video. So guys, today's review is gonna be on the combat rifle. I know what you guys are saying. How are you gonna be reviewing the combat rifle? It's not that good. I upgraded it and I'm gonna improve the quality to epic. I already have a module inside. I upgraded it to the level, and there we go. We just did that. So let's try it out now. My brother did this. He upgraded it, and I want to try it too. So hopefully it's pretty good. It should be pretty good. And yeah, so Ice Palace, this is one of my favorite stages. You know, where is everybody? Okay, so was checking around. There's someone that just got killed. 2 people on each team. Come on, let's make this 2. Oh yes. Okay, that wasn't actually that bad. I'm getting some kills now. Okay. Yeah. That wasn't me, that was someone else. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Again. This thing's not that bad. I mean, the ammo, yes, it's pretty bad. This, once you upgrade like this, not really too bad. This is an epic. So I might improve it to legendary because I have enough gems. And yeah. I'm not sure if we can upgrade it to mythical. It's just I do want to try it. These are like experiments in pixel that I really want to try. Taking the new weapons and just, yeah. So let's go. Where is everything? Okay. They literally respawn here. I can't find them, and as you can see, some behind me. Oh, there we go. This is the spot that opposite Come on, okay. We're pretty good. We just got a multi-kill. Holy, this thing's powerful. Check out this thing. Awesome. Holy. Yeah, this thing's awesome. Yeah. So the match is gonna end soon. I'm gonna do one more match because I usually don't have time to record. And yeah. Victory. Okay. So we got a monster kill, and that was pretty good. I mean, I didn't suspect the monster kill out of the combat rifle. But yeah. Okay. Got a grenade there. Okay. Come on, let's get this guy. Come on. Yeah. These things not that bad, but I guess it is pretty bad though. Because people think this weapon is just new and you haven't upgraded it. And yeah. It's not a bad weapon. At first you guys, if you look on the killing board, you saw that I killed someone with the reflector. So one of the kills was combat rifle, one was the other one, the reflector. Okay. So this weapon, it's not good far range really. If I tried a far range, and I didn't upgrade it when I tried at far range. I got this weapon at the beginner's level, so I like doing these experiments in pixel guns, and I want to try upgrading any more weapons. I mean, this one's not that bad. I'd rather try that instead of awesome, so maybe that is good. So, is upgrading your weapon any good? Yes, it is sorta. And yeah. so close to getting that guy. Still in the pool? Yep, he is. Okay, where'd he go? No, he left. Okay. The match is gonna end soon. But yeah, this match was not as good as the Ice Palace. Not sure why. But yeah. That's gonna be the end of the video. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Just wanna get that. And that's gonna be the review on the combat rifle efficiency 40. That's actually the same efficiency as the other new weapons, I think. Let's see. Let's check it out. Yeah, that efficiency is 40, so it's just as good as the hero. And yeah, I hope you have a good day. Stay safe, and it's the Gamer Boy. Bye.